Role of the literature. The role of literature in language and literacy learning. Literature plays a pivotal role in supporting, sustaining, and developing literacy and language learning. We know that it is impossible to separate language or literacy learning from literature. Students learn language that is relevant and meaningful for their current and future social interactions through talking, listening, reading, and writing. Role of literature in modern society. We can see how literature takes role in our society. Literature is proven to contribute to the development of our society through its broad outreach. It relentlessly shaping our civilization by developing moral and ethics in our society. Its authenticity plays a huge part in building individuals' empathy and catalyzing the procurement of our social actions. The most important role played by literature is that it gives a reflection of society, its good things, bad things, all. In as it is formed, it really helps in better understand in time period. Role of literature in education. An education that includes exposure to literature is a more balanced, rewarding, and comprehensive education. If your child is attending a private high school or a college preparatory high school, its curriculum should include the study of literature.
Literature affords meaningful context to a curriculum. While reading about facts in textbook is a useful learning method, studies have shown that more information is retained when facts are conveyed through stories. When high school use literature-based curriculum, the students are able to put the historical fact, figures, and even from their textbook into context. Descriptive language, memorable character, and a comprehensive and detailed narrative will draw them in. Literature encourages deep thought and reasoning. Literature exposes high school students to the different vocabulary, sentence structure, imagery, and narrative than textbook do. This can give them a boost in creativity and can encourage them to pursue new lines of reasoning and a deeper thought process. Many high school students find it easier to relate to historical events and character when they are introduced in a narrative form instead of via the dry writing of a textbook. Role of the literature in nationalism. Literature has played a significant role in shaping this country's history. It was through the voice of Max Havelaar, written by Edward Dawes Dekker under the name of Multatuli, that the Indonesian youth spirit of nationalism was ignited, which led to the awakening movement in history are important to all culture, all people. In time, an In time of uncertainty, literature has helped us make sense of the world and bring communities together. It means literature is a very powerful tool to awaken the national spirit. Conclusion. From the explanation above, we can conclude that the role of literature is very important in various aspects of life. For example, the role of literature in language learning and literacy, the role of literature in modern society, the role of literature in education, and the role of literature in nationalism. Therefore, we must learn to understand so that we can understand how important the role of literature is in various aspects of life. Thank you.